Welcome to IQ Splash! Can you guess the country in 10 seconds? Subscribe to our channel now!
Can you guess the country by the emojis? Japan, amazing start. What country comes to your mind? Awesome, the country is China. Which country is this emoji combo? Spain, fantastic job. Let's see what's next. The answer is Chile. Time for another guess. Which country is this? Good job. It's Peru. Can you guess this country? Poland. What country do these emojis represent? It's Turkey, known for its delicious food. Can you guess the country? Belgium, super. These emojis are hinting at which country? Awesome guess, this is Cuba. Are you ready for the next one? Singapore, keep the quiz going. Can you guess the country? Iran, you got it. Which country is represented by these emojis? It's Greenland. Can you guess this one? Taiwan. Which country is this? Bingo, it's Denmark. Can you guess this country by the emojis? New Zealand, known for its stunning nature and rugby heroes. What country do these emojis stand for? You guess it right, it's Angola. Do you know which country this is? It's the United Kingdom. Can you identify this country? It's Germany, a country full of rich culture, history. Can you guess this country name? It's Qatar. Can you guess this one? France, so romantic?
Thanks for watching! Enjoy more excited videos! Subscribe to my channel.